So just thought I'd get a quick capture of this. Side by side, this is how these two are looking. As you can see, this is quite a behemoth of a card here, this ASUS. Let's get a measuring tape out real quick. Do a quick measurement. I mean, you guys have seen it online. About 12 inches on this one, and as I showed earlier, got like 14 inches on this one right here. So when you're fitting it inside of a case, like my situation here with the Lian Li Dynamic Evo, it makes it quite interesting how you're going to get it in, especially if you're doing a upright GPU, kind of like that. Right inside, this is an inverted build. You're gonna get that ASUS card right here, but it's that extra 2 inches that's probably gonna be eating away right into here. And I just gotta see if the thickness is gonna be allowing us to even get it in here in the first place, because it's pretty tight with the PCIe slot and the 24-pin motherboard cable. I've got a cable mod, so this, this is gonna be good. Simplify the whole connection, but let's see.